Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Vuyokazi asks an important question, you guys, that I also want to extend. Who died and made him king? Who died and made Mpumelelo king? And Vuyokazi basically says that Mpumelelo thinks that he is this Alpha and Omega. He thinks that he's God. She goes on to say that he thinks that all things revolve around him. He basically doesn't care about anyone else except himself, that he's full of lies. And she says that the people who he says he loves suffer, all in the name of, he basically makes things all about him. And she's like, hey, you call yourself a man. I was like, yo, you guys, yeah, Vuyokazi is fed up, you guys. And quite frankly, you can hear that she's reached her peak for her to even say, like, who died and made him king. Yeah, like I'm just, curious to know that if when they started dating, if these symptoms were not there. Because you know what, sometimes guys, sometimes these red flags are always there, except at the beginning maybe we kind of ignore them because we just like a person's gonna change or whatever excuse that we make up for a person. But chances are at the beginning these symptoms are always there, that a person was always full of themselves. They always, wanted things to revolve around them. And yeah, yeah, but I guess Vuyokazi now is seeing things for what they truly are. And because she's seeing things for what they truly are, she's just like, no, get right. Like, I am fine. I cannot settle for this because, quite frankly, it's too much. And listen, I am happy for her. If you feel like something is too much, why force yourself in a situation just because you've got kids? No, gladly walk away. I guess the person then will be willing to change for the one that they feel like they are worth changing for. But at this point, according to Mpumelelo's responses, nah, he doesn't really think that Vuyokazi is worth the change or worth even, I don't know, but like Agambonu Vuyokazi, like he doesn't, yeah, his responses, you guys, yeah, like at this point, he really doesn't care about what Vuyokazi thinks. And yeah, anyway, you guys, tell me, what do you think about everything that I just mentioned? What Vuyokazi was basically saying about Mpumelelo. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.